In today's video, we will discuss about Mahila Samman Savings Certificate, its features, and also find out whether it is a good option to invest in the scheme. Let us see who can open the account under the scheme. A woman or a guardian in the case of a minor girl can open the account under the scheme on or before 31st of March 2025. Let us see the amount that can be invested. The minimum amount that can be invested is rupees 1000 and the maximum amount that can be invested is rupees 2 lakhs. Now let us see the interest which is applicable on this scheme. The interest is received at the rate of 7.5% per annum. There is a quarterly compounding. That is why your annualized interest rate is 7.73% per annum. Let us see the duration of the deposit. It is 2 years from the date of opening the account. Premature withdrawal from the account. It is up to 40% can be withdrawn after 1 year from the date of opening the account. Let us see conditions for premature closure of the account. The death of the account holder or any life-threatening diseases to the account holder, then the account can be prematurely closed. Or in the case of death of the guardian if the child is a minor. In case the account holder wishes to close the account for any other reason, then she can close it after 6 months from the date of opening the account, but the interest rate will be reduced by 2%. Now let us find out whether it is good to invest under the scheme. In my opinion, if the girl child is below the age of 10 years, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is a better option as the interest rate is higher at 8% per annum and there is also a tax benefit of rupees 1,50,000 under section 80C. In the case of a woman above the age of 60 years, Senior Citizens Savings Scheme for 5 years is a better option as the interest rate is higher at 8.2% per annum and there is a tax benefit of up to rupees 1,50,000 under section 80C. The investment up to rupees 30 lakhs can be made in a Senior Citizens Savings Scheme. For a woman below the age of 60 years, there are other options like National Savings Certificate for 5 years where the rate of interest is 7.7% per annum and there is a tax benefit of up to rupees 1,50,000 under section 80C. There is no limit on the amount that can be invested under the National Savings Certificate. Mahila Samman Savings Scheme is good for a woman who has a limited capital to invest for a short period of 2 years or if they feel that the interest rate on bank FDs are likely to increase in the future, which will be more than the interest rate offered in the scheme, or if they intend to invest in the stock market in the future. The major disadvantages of Mahila Samman savings schemes is that you can invest only up to rupees 2 lakhs for a period of maximum 2 years only and there are no tax benefits under the scheme. In this table, I have given the details of principal and interest which you will get after 2 years under this scheme. You can pause the video and see the details. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.